Oh my god, this is feeling way too good. Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again. Today's video is a collaboration with OMORC. We are reviewing the OMORC massage gun. It's on Amazon for $49.99. This is how it looks on Amazon, and if you are going to check it out or get it yourself, you do get a $10 extra saving coupon, so don't forget to apply that. Really, I find it really cheap comparing to the ones I saw, which is around $100 to $300. Like I didn't think they were that expensive. It comes with a little suitcase in it to keep it safe, which is literally like something like I think is very smart to do, because I had to buy this for a game. Knowing that is that important, so this one having its own is even better. So it comes with 6 heads, like I said earlier. It has this one, which is a la grande tête ronde, which means the round head. I think I'm reading it in French. Hold on. I'm like, is it in French? I was reading it in French, but I'm like, there should be an English version. But yeah, it says big round head. I was so close. So it has the big round head to use it with. It has this head, which is universal finger head, and it comes with the spade shade. It also said, you know, what to use it with. It's like, you know, it tells you what it is and how it's gonna feel, kind of. The column shape head, the U shape head, that one is the flat head. So, and like for example, that's the shortest one I could read. It says the flat head suitable for large muscle group and on the back and the waist. This is the gun itself with the controls in the back, and then let's see, comes with the charger. See, all that, you have like 8 things in total. 6 head with those 2, 8 things in total. It is nice to have like this little suitcase to keep them together. I like that. This is my favorite thing about it so far. This massage I'm about to get right now is well needed, because like I've been doing arm and you know, shoulder workout for the past 2 days, so that's a well needed massage. Turn on. Oh, it's in the bottom. Okay, I was looking on the other one. Alright, so right now it's on. I'm gonna use the round ball because it's softer and I don't know how it works yet. So I'm gonna put the gun. Okay. Oh, it's not working. Like, it has some battery, so I guess I'm not supposed to be plugging it. I don't know. Speed. Okay, so it's not supposed to be plugged in. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the slowest speed as possible. Let's see. That feels good, especially my shoulders, because I told you, like, I was doing shoulders and arm. Ooh. Wow, it's at speed 1. Like, to be honest, I don't think like massage is supposed to be like hard to feel it, but this feels good. Okay, so oh my god, guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you, because this is good. For the whole week I've been wanting a massage. In my last video, which is right there, I had to get a massage when I went to New York. Let me try. I said I wasn't gonna try higher speed, but let me try it. Oh. Oh my god, it goes so much higher. I'm not about to put that on my body. Oh, hold on. You know, sometimes when you have like a pain over here, I don't know if other people have it, but I have it a lot. Like when you was lifting something or something, I don't know, but this, oh Jesus. Okay, let me put it down, because I'm not putting it so high on my body. I'm gonna try the finger one to just, you know, like it's so easy to come in and off too, so that's good. I'm gonna try it. Just make sure you press it in there. Let's see. I don't know, like I'm afraid of it giving me like a sharp pain. I don't want that. I put it upside down. You just have to know how to switch the finger. It's like, you know, how you want the finger to not hurt you. But after that, it feels really good. It's a firmer press. Ooh, it's a firmer vibration. I don't know if to say vibration or press, but it doesn't feel too bad at all. Let me try this one, the U shape. I feel like it's gonna feel like ticklish too, because it's like two fingers poking you. I don't know, but like always, starting with the lowest. I start at 1 over here. You see the number, just so I don't regret anything. Oh wow, ooh, oh my god. Okay, that feels good. So oh my god, that feels really good. Like I had a misconception about it, because I'm like, the pointier it is or the harder it is gonna hurt more, but actually nah, it's not like that. Oh jeez, it's not like that at all. It's even better. It's better than the round. This is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to check out my next videos, and if you happen to have a product that you would like me to review, please contact me. So for this machine gun as a machine gun, for this gun massage, I give it a good 95, because I don't know yet, so I'm gonna see how it feels on my mom first, but I give it a good 95. Like I would say 100. It's because, you know, that's my first time using it. So yes, it feels really good. Thank you so much, Hamasi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm writing it here so you guys can see. I just want you close where you can see forever. You can be so warm.